today's video I'll be showing you how to fix black screen in Mafia 3 Definitive Edition. So first of all you need to do is to install a driver for your graphics. If you have an NVIDIA card as I have, you will need to access this link. I will leave the link in the description for each one. But if you have an AMD GPU, you will need this website, and if you have an Intel, you will need this website. So you will find them all in the description. All you have to do is just to click on download. After downloading this one, open it and then go to the search bar and then search for NVIDIA or AMD or Intel, and then you will have something like that. Go to here drivers and then search for update available. And as you can see here, I have new GeForce Game Ready driver. All I have to do is just to download it, and then after that what I need to do is just to go here and install Microsoft Visual C++. Just follow the link in the description also, and then click on download. Make sure to download it, and then click on DirectX. Make sure to accept. Click on next. It will be like that, next, and then finish DirectX setup, and this will fix your problem. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.